Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can fix photo not showing in Messenger. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the Messenger app and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, tap on the three lines icon at the top left corner and a side menu will open up. Inside it, tap on the settings icon and you will be sent to this page. Here, scroll down a little bit and access the data saver settings. Now make sure it is disabled. This will ensure that Messenger is not saving data in the background, which can sometimes cause issues with photo display. After that, open the device settings application and then scroll down a little bit. Here, access the app section and look for Messenger. After that, tap on the Messenger app, access the permission settings and enable all of the available permissions. Then, get to the bottom of the app info, select storage and tap on clear cache. After that, clear the app data, but note that your Messenger account will be logged out after doing this. At last, get to the App Store or Play Store and update the Messenger app to the latest version available. This will ensure that you have the latest features and bug fixes which can help resolve the issue. So that's basically how you can fix photo not showing in Messenger. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.